So be ready. Keep it aside now. Good morning,
morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you. Children, now,
Ma'am,
yes, Rudra.
ma'am, you have to write this in a notebook. What you have written in board.
Rudra, you were there in the beginning, right?
Yes, so
I
we
will
have to
repeat
write.
it again, no problem, but you were there. As I said, listen when the teacher is explaining something, when the teacher is saying something. Okay, now mute your mic and listen it again. So, good morning, all of you. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes more for the children to join. By the time those who are here, I'll repeat for them again. Take out your revision notebook, and first we will do the revision. The topic which we have covered yesterday, area and perimeter, few sums we will do on the basis of that. And then after that, we will do few sums related to the topic postal rates, how to find the postal or the parcel rates. So the first question is find the boundary of the following figure. Twisha, when
And we
it
have
is
to write
time,
this.
yes, everyone has to write in their revision notebook. Now no one will ask the same thing again. Twisha, find the boundary of the following figure. Boundary means what you have to find out here.
Ma'am, perimeter.
Lama, is she saying correct that you need to find out the perimeter of these figures?
No, ma'am.
Lamha, boundary. Your voice is not coming. Yes,
Ma'am, now it's coming.
coming. Now say.
Yes, ma'am, she is correct.
Why you were confused? When we are talking about boundary means we need to find out what?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. Arna Agarwal, which figure is the first figure?
Ma'am, rectangle.
How do you know this is the rectangle?
Ma'am, cause its shape is rectangular.
Only by the looking at the shape only?
No,
Okay.
ma'am, its sides are not equal.
Okay. The lengths are different?
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Anya Mittal. Anya Mittal.
Ma'am.
What is given in the first figure?
Ma'am, parameter.
Perimeter is given. First of all, it's perimeter, not parameter. So perimeter is given in the first figure. It's already given.
No, ma'am.
So what is given to you?
Ma'am, length of the this
Only
rectangle.
length is given.
Length and the breadth.
What is the length over here?
4 centimeter.
Breadth.
3 centimeter.
So only two sides are given. The length of two sides are
Yes.
given. Then how you will find out the perimeter for the entire figure?
Ma'am, because side by side of a triangle is same and
Side
up
by
and
side.
down, side and side. This side and this side is same of
Opposite
the
sides. The opposite lengths are same.
same
So what
and
will come here?
3 centimeter,
3 centimeter. And what will come here?
4 centimeter.
So if you have the length of all the four sides, will you able to find out the perimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshya, tell me what is the perimeter of this figure?
Ma'am, 7 multiplied by 7.
My dear, you need to find out the perimeter, Lakshya.
The whole.
Yes.
Answer is 14
Yes. 14, only 14?
centimeter. Ma'am, if the area is there, so we have 12 centimeter.
Very good. So we write here 14 centimeter.
Ma'am, in B1, it is square. So in one only it is coming 13.
It's 13 meters, 65 centimeter. So when you add meter and centimeter, 13 meters, 65 centimeter, when you add this 4 times or you multiply it with the 4, find it the perimeter of this figure. Find out fast.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Your body is not visible properly.
Square figure. B1 is the square figure, Vihan. And C1 is?
Ma'am, what is the length of the square figure? I can't see.
13 meter 65 centimeter. Find the perimeter of this figure also. Which figure is this? Find out and tell me which figure is this. And
Ma'am,
find out the
13 meter,
perimeter.
45 centimeter, no?
What?
I'm pentagon.
Regular
One,
pentagon.
2, 3. What you said, Lakshya?
Regular pentagon.
Pentagon.
Just
Ma'am,
check.
hexagon.
Yes.
Hexagon.
Check the number of sides, Vihan.
Hexagon.
Yes. This is regular hexagon. Six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ma'am, the answer of B is 54 meters 60 centimeter.
Let me check.
This word we write in notebook now.
Yes, faster.
Ma'am, we have to draw also.
Yes.
Ma'am, what did you say? Can you repeat? I could not hear.
I have not said anything. Just write down, solve them. What was your answer, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, the B1 answer was 54 meters 60 centimeter.
Yes, right. Do this fast and write the very good. Write the answer for the second one and the third one also.
The objects.
I explained in the beginning, you need to draw the shapes and then you need to find out the perimeter of this. I hope no one will ask the same thing again. Do this fast. Vihan, only putting the multiplication sign, the answer will not come. You need to find out the answer also of this. Please write down fast.
I'm plusing it.
Adding it. What plusing it?
Ma'am, it's adding it. Ma'am, there are more sums.
Yes. So I'm raising from the top.
Okay, ma'am.
Be quick.
Ma'am, the answer of the square should be 20 to 60 centimeter, right?
What is?
The answer of square, the B1 should be 24 meter
No.
and 60 centimeter.
How? When you add 13.65 4 times or you multiply 13.65 by 4, your answer will come 24 point something. How? Solve it, Ayush.
Right side I am writing.
No, 2 up, 24.
Ayush, first of all, you are not at your place. I'm not able to see you where you are. Yes, now you solve this first. 13 meters, 65 centimeter. And find out the answer first.
Ma'am, the 13 meter 65 centimeter, and below this we have to write also this.
No, this is I have just written for you your information.
Okay.
Children, please solve this and write the answer in the chat box fast. Be quick.
Ma'am, they are just asking why you are copying the master.
Yes, they are asking in the chat box. Please.
Ma'am, the answer of the hexagon is I did it. The answer of the hexagon
What is the answer?
30 centimeters.
How you did? It's only one side is given.
L multiplied by 6, then 5 multiplied by 6, and then the answer is 30 centimeters.
Good. Do.
Yes, ma'am, I did same way.
Yes.
I did the sum again. The answer was coming the same.
Ayush, you doing, you think for, take your time, take 1 or 2 minutes, think it what teacher is saying. Do it again.
Ma'am, I know square one.
If Samriddhi can do it, if Samriddhi can find out the answer, others can find out the answer. So Ayush, I am expecting from you also to do it.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you write
Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
can you write that,
What I write that, Ayansh?
ma'am, that how many centimeter is there of square?
It's 13 meter 65 centimeter. Is there written? Just see.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
know the
please.
answer of B.
Yes, tell me.
It's 54 meters 60 centimeter.
Yes. Now Ayush, you try to find out. Otherwise, you wait at the last. I'll explain you. Is there any child who faced the difficulty of finding the perimeter of a square here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Go to the next.
Excuse me, Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that if we have to find the perimeter of the square, so ma'am, there is no centimeter given.
Open your eyes.
No, ma'am.
Meter. The value is in meter and centimeter both. Answer will also come in meter and centimeter both.
Ma'am, I caught my mistake. It's 54.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, just look here. I'm doing for you here. Right. See. It's meter and centimeter both. 13 meters, 65 centimeter. Either you add them 4 times.
Yes, ma'am. My answer came. I added them and I caught my mistake. What was I doing in multiplication mistake? And
Yes.
the answer is 54 meter 60 centimeter.
You got it now? Added Lamha. Lamha, add them now. Because you need to add 4 times this 13.65.
Ma'am, actually, I was not multiplying. In the last, I was doing when 4 multiplied by 1.
If you do multiply, then also the answer will come same. If you do addition, then also the answer will come same.
As multiplication is repeated addition.
Yes.
Actually, in multiplication, I forgot to, both times I forgot to do, multiply 4 with 1. I directly added
I
one.
know, Ayush, your problem. That's why I told you, you come to your solution by your own only. Okay? 6. Add them and tell me the answer.
26. 20, ma'am.
26.
Then it will be 26. Then it will be 14.
Got it now, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell me how can we find the hexagon?
When only one side is given, you multiply it with the number of sides. Hexagon has how many sides?
See, hexagon has 6 sides and they all are same. So we have to do 6
and
multiply.
regular hexagon, all sides are same.
6 multiplied by 5, 30.
So agar one 5 is, it was given only, right?
Ma'am, 5 exam.
It was like this, right? So one side is given.
And 30
Either you write
centimeters.
the sides of length of each side and add them, or you multiply it with the number of sides. 5 multiplied by 6, Ayansh. Ayansh, we have done lot of practice on these kinds of sums. Done? When
Ma'am,
the shapes
I
are regular shapes, listen now. When the shapes are regular shapes, then you need to multiply the length of a side by the number of sides. Clear? If it is a pentagon, then what will be the perimeter? Same the length, one side length is 5 and the figure is pentagon. Then what will be the perimeter?
The perimeter will be
Ma'am, 25 centimeter.
25 centimeter because pentagon has 5 sides
5 sides.
and one side is 5 centimeter. 5 multiplied by 5 is? Why you all are sitting quiet?
5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25.
5 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Okay, you erase the C figure.
C figure. Tell me what is the C figure, Ayush? What do you want to know about the C figure?
I don't know the C figure. Actually, I haven't drawn it.
You draw the hexagon. You don't know how to draw the hexagon?
Hexagon would be 6
Six-sided
sides.
trick.
6 sides.
And it's a regular hexagon.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's the difference? I don't know.
I have explained in my beginning class also what is the difference in regular hexagon. All the angles and the length of the, it's same.
Oh, yeah.
Angles should be same.
Got it.
ये जो angles होते हैं ये same measurement के होते हैं regular figures में. And the sides also should be same. Then the figure is the regular figure. Go to the next question. Find the length. Please start writing along with me. Find the length of the wire required.
Ma'am, can you please tell me, is this the C figure right or wrong?
Let me see.
Yeah.
No, wrong.
Okay, so I don't know how it's wrong.
Look here, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Like that.
Flat from the top
Excuse
and
me,
the down.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go. You are sitting at your home. You can go anytime. Find the length of the wire required to go around four times a rectangular field (63 meter) length equals to 63 meter and width or a breadth is the same thing, equals to 35 meter. Both the units are same. Please check it. This is also in meter. This is also in meter. So your answer unit also should come in the meter. And it's a rectangular field. Okay. And wire. Find the length of the wire required to go around the rectangular field. For example, this is the rectangular field, right? We need to put a wire around this notebook, but 4 times. First of all, we need to find out one time, right? How we need to find out one time? First of all, we need to find out the perimeter of this, because wire I will put on the boundaries. So I need the perimeter of this rectangular field whose length is 63 and the breadth is 35. Find out the perimeter fast. And then I will tell you what to do with the 4. Find out the perimeter fast of this rectangle whose length is 63 meter and the width is 35 meter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see your board properly.
Pin on my board screen. Kanak ma'am, is it visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am. Just you need to pin on that. Then it is clearly visible.
Children, please pin on my board screen.
Ma'am, the answer is 196 meter.
Half what can we see?
Answer is 196 meters. The perimeter.
My dear,
Ma'am,
wait,
196 meters.
wait, write in the chat box. The child who is facing the difficulty with the board can log out and log in again and pin on my board screen. So let me also to find out the perimeter of this. We need to 63 meters plus 35 meters plus 63 meters plus 35 meters and fine. Or you plus 63 plus 35 and then multiply it with the 2 also.
Ma'am, 196 meter.
Let me check. Yes, 196 meter. Now this is the perimeter of a rectangle. अगर उसी rectangle को 4 बार round काटना है हमें, so what we will do? Tell me.
We will add 196 4 times.
Either you add 196
Or
Yes.
multiplied by 4.
either you add 196 4 times because so for example you go for a morning walk, sometimes you go, right? When you go for a morning walk, when you walk around to the rectangular or a square field, एक बार चक्कर काटा, दूसरी बार एक बार काटा, you say I walked 3 kilometers today. So again, if you take a round 2 times of that 3 kilometers, means total how many kilometers you walk?
5.
6 kilo.
Ayan, we are not adding, we are multiplying 3 into 6, in 3 into 2. Got it? What are you writing, my dear children, in the chat box, please?
Ma'am, I wrote the answer. It's 784.
196 meter multiply, either you multiply it because you
I
need to
multiplied
find
by
out.
4.
Yes, or either you add this number 4 times.
Ma'am, see, I sent the answer.
So how much wire they require?
784 meters.
Ma'am,
784
190.
meters.
Ma'am, 190.
Yes, it's 196, not 190.
197.
And now it is
196.
784.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Riva, do you join late?
No, ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
My dear, from the beginning, we are writing everything in the notebook.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I can listen.
No, actually, I could. First, you couldn't. I was saying so.
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell me.
the C now it's right.
You are still on C figure.
Yes, ma'am. I can't draw it.
Yeah, yes, this one is okay.
Okay. And ma'am, how many centimeters is just one?
Five.
One of them.
5 centimeter.
Got it.
Now, please, it was 7, what you told, 784, right?
Yes, ma'am.
784 meter wire requires. Got it? How to find? Please do it faster. Fast, my dear children. Okay, one common question I will ask. Write it in the chat box. In which of the following situation the boundary is required to find out? First situation is carpenting of room. A second is fencing of a plot. In which situation you need to find out the boundary? First situation is carpenting of room.
Fencing plot.
Fencing of a plot. Yes. Now, children, those who are writing, please complete it. I am going to present my screen. And we will talk on some irregular shapes, how to count the squares. Yeah, fencing of plot. We need to find out the boundary of this. Children, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. This picture is visible to you all?
Yes.
Where
Yes.
my cursor is? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when we need to find out the area of this type of figures, we only need to find the area with the counting by the squares. Now you will tell me that, ma'am, you said counting the squares, but here are some squares are full and some are half. As I have explained in my previous class also, that first of all you need to count the full squares. How many full squares are in this?
Four.
Everyone agree that there are four?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone agrees that there are Ayaz,
Yes, ma'am.
Ayaz, please pay attention here, right? As you were asking that, ma'am, I am having a doubt, so please, yeah. So total 4 full squares are there. So first of all, when this type of figures come and we need to ask the area, so first you have to find out how many full squares are there in this figure. In this figure which I have shown you, the 4 total full squares are there, right? And how many half are there? 4. This is half, which is, we only need to find out the area inside the figure. Children, now be quiet, mute your mics. Mute your mics, fast. And now listen, no one will speak. This is very, very important for you all. We only have to see the area of this figure inside. We don't need to see the squares which are outside. So the area which is here, the 4 are the full squares and the 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4 are the half squares. So what does the rule says for finding the area of such figures? That first of all, children, pin on my board screen. I am solving this on my board.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
No, understand this now. So total were 4 squares, full 4 squares. And what about the half? Half also were 4. To make these half into the full, we need the divided it by the 2.
2.
Right? So when we divide it by 2, we get what? How many full squares?
8.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
8.
Full squares were 4. Half squares were also 4. And convert the half into the full, we divide it by 2. कोई भी half चीज को full करोगे तो जैसे for example there are 2 halves of a chapati. So when we convert the 2 half into the full, how many chapatis? 1 chapati, right?
One.
Okay. So if I divide the full chapati into 4 parts, so how many chapatis?
1 chapati.
And 1/4 chapati. 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you make the full chapati of these out of 4, each part is the 1/4, right? Now you tell me, okay, now you tell me if you eat dairy milk or do you eat chocolates, right?
Yes.
Okay. Out of 1 chocolate, I make 2 parts. From 2 chocolates, I make 4 parts. How many full chocolates? If 4 half of part, half part of the first, half part of the second, half part of the third, half part of the fourth, when we make them full, how many full will come?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2 chocolates.
2. So when you, so half squares divided, I got it. Now look here. So count the number of half squares, always divided by 2. Clear? So what will come here? How many full squares will come when you convert the half squares into the full?
Ma'am, 6.
I'm only asking about this only. I'm not asking the full answer.
2. Ma'am,
2. When you convert these half squares, which is 4, convert it into the full divided by 2, it will come 2. Now tell me, by adding this full squares and this full square, so what will be the area of this figure now which I was showing you?
Ma'am, 6 square centimeter.
Ma'am, 6
See,
square
I have not used any unit. I have not used any unit. So you will say 6 square.
6 unit.
6 square
unit.
Okay. If I will
Then
use
it
the
will
unit, then you will also use the unit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find the area of this figure. Children, find fast the area of this figure.
It is 5.
5 square unit.
5 square unit.
Yes. Quiet now. So it was easy to find out because it's all the squares were full. Now come to this figure. Will you able to see the next screen? Please mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Which one we have to find?
This one.
2 full square and
Ma'am, 2 square units.
Don't be in hurry.
Ma'am, answer is 4 square centimeters.
4 square centimeter.
4 square unit. 4 square unit.
4 square unit.
Okay.
4 square unit.
Let me pin on you. 4 square unit, because there were four half square. When you convert them into the full, it will become 2, and the 2 full squares were there. So it will be 4 square unit. No, don't shout in the class. Don't scream. Please write in the chat box. Write the answer of this third one. Write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
Who is this?
What you taught.
Who is this? Which child is
Ayush.
this? Ayush.
Ay-
What do you understand about this till now?
I don't understand anything. Ma'am, this is 4.5 square unit. 4.5 square. I just understand with this.
Yes, ma'am. 4.5.
Yes, ma'am. 4.5.
Ayush, I am drawing something here on the board. Just please pay attention. I have a square plotted paper. I have this figure. I have this
Yes,
figure.
ma'am. Yes, I understood this.
So Ayush, what happened today? You are not prepared for your class?
No, ma'am, there's nothing like this, but I know this.
So it was same like only. You will get the different figures. You will not always get the same figures to find out the area.
And there was something, everyone was typing unit, so I didn't understand that.
Now listen here. This is for everyone. I'm going to stop my presentation. First of all, we need to count the full squares. Full means complete full, where all the 4 corners come inside. 1, 2, 3.
2, then 3,
4.
beside the 4, then 5. Below. No, there is little out in the 5th one.
Huh.
Ma'am, 6th one.
Then
Ma'am,
6th one. 5th and beside that is
4 के ऊपर के बाजू वाला.
What is this, Vivan?
Ma'am, on 6 it is some out.
No.
6 is some out.
6, it is coming from the corner. It is not out. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
7th is also there.
Where is the seventh one?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, after 4 and then
After 4, little bit is going out.
no, ma'am.
He's telling
After
about
that-
that one.
Yes.
But there is
No.
little out there. See?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now wait.
Yes.
Got it? So there are the 6 full squares. Now we need to count out the half. Half, more than half.
Ma'am,
will always
20.
come in half. 1, 2. We will write x2, right? 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
Ma'am,
5,
13.
6.
6,
Let me do 7.
8,
14, 15. How many are these?
15 half squares.
15 half squares.
What you will do to convert it into the
15
full?
divided by 2. Ma'am, there is one more.
Where?
Ma'am, upside the third full square, ma'am, there is the on one
This-
side.
My dear, this is one only which is coming here, the partition. Clear?
No, ma'am, but that side on the half third, on the left side of half third.
This one.
No, ma'am, there is a small part.
We have already mostly covered all. Okay. So there are 15. When we convert it into the full, how many full it will be?
6.5 square
No,
unit.
no,
7.5.
7.5.
Yes,
Now
sorry,
when you
ma'am.
add this 7.5 in the 6, which is already full, what will be the answer?
13.5 unit.
13.5 square unit. Square unit, because this is the area you need to find out.
Square.
Got it? How to find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the children. As you all know that in our NCERT book, there is one topic which is related to the postal rates. Sometimes you
Yeah,
send,
ma'am.
sometimes you send parcel to someone, right? Sometimes you send parcel. What do you mean by the word parcel?
Ma'am, parcel means
Ma'am, we are delivering anything to other person.
to other person.
When any object, any article or anything, when we send, mute your mics please. When we send any parcel, any object, any article to any one person, from one person to another person, it will go in a packing, properly packed way. That is the parcel, right? When we send from one person to another, maybe we send, like if I'm living here in the Surat, I send to Surat also parcel, or I can send from Surat to somewhere else also the parcel. So the companies, the postal courier companies or the post offices, they sit properly, everyone. Which child is this, Vivan?
Ma'am, he is eating also, but I don't want to disturb you because you were teaching and he is just enjoying eating.
Sit properly, everyone. So when we send the parcel from one person to the another person, it go in a proper packed way, right? In the envelope, or in where you also have seen at your home, if your parents are working or they have a business, they also they also order some parcels from outside, and the parcel come in a properly packed way, right? It can be heavy also, it can be light also, it can be very light also. मतलब कितना भी size का parcel हो सकता है. But when we send, so the offices, the postal offices or the post offices or the courier offices, जहाँ से company से हमने भेजा है parcel, they charge some amount and they have fixed charges of the amount, and that also to be from state to state, country to country different होता है. ये नहीं if you are living in Surat, you can say to anyone कि हमारे सूरत में तो इतना ही charge होता है 10 rupees ही. आपके राजस्थान में क्यों ज्यादा चार्ज होता है? इट डिपेंड ऑन स्टेट टू स्टेट ऑल्सो, कंट्री टू कंट्री ऑल्सो. Charges may differ, and charges may differ based on the parcel also, the size of the parcel also, weight of the parcel also, and the distance of the parcel also. आप कितनी दूर भेज रहे हैं? अगर आप ज्यादा दूर पार्सल भेज रहे हैं, चार्जेस हाई होंगे ऑब्वियसली. हाउ? व्हेन यू गो बाय ट्रेन, जाते हैं कि नहीं? व्हेन यू गो एट अ मोर डिस्टेंस, यहां से सूरत से व्हेन यू गो टू वापी, वापी इज नियर टू द सूरत, राइट? सो आपके ट्रेन चार्जेस भी कम लगते हैं कि नहीं? Yes or no? And when you go on the higher distance, ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो तो आपके ट्रेन चार्जेस भी ज्यादा होते हैं. सेम अप्लाई ऑन द प्लेन ऑल्सो. व्हेन यू गो बाय एयर, if you go on the shorter distance, charges are low. If you go on the longer distance, charges are higher. Same related to the parcel also. अगर आपको पार्सल पास में ही भेजना है, नियरेस्ट भेजना है, चार्जेस कम होंगे. ज्यादा दूर जाएगा तो पार्सल के चार्जेस ज्यादा होंगे.
Okay, ma'am, I am leaving.
Yeah, ma'am. So same way the companies are deciding, the post offices are deciding the rates. So for example, if I give you one question, for a parcel, there are situations. For example, the situation is for sending a parcel, one company has decided, for example, I am a post office, I decided my some rates. For parcel weighing, first situation is for parcel weighing. Weighing means weight. 10 grams.
Sir, understand?
Ayush, I'm explaining. I have not started yet. Try to understand it.
Okay.
For parcel weighing 10 grams or less than 10 grams, ₹3. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन उन्होंने पोस्ट ऑफिस वालों ने बोल दी कि अगर आपका पार्सल का वेट 10 ग्राम्स या फिर 10 ग्राम से कम है तो आपको कितने मिनिमम पे करने होंगे?
₹3.
3 तो आपको पे करने ही है. समृद्धि, अगर कोई पार्सल भेजना चाहती है एंड इफ द पार्सल वेट इज ओनली 6 ग्राम, सो समृद्धि आपको मिनिमम कितने प्राइस पे करना ही करना है? 3. क्यों? भले ही चाहे आपका पार्सल का वेट 10 ग्राम नहीं है, पर 10 ग्राम से तो कम है, लेकिन मिनिमम तक आपको मिनिमम प्राइस तो इतना पे करना ही करना है. क्लियर? दिस मिनिमम प्राइस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल? इफ योर पार्सल वेट इज 10 grams or less than 10 grams, the price is 3. सेकेंड सिचुएशन आपके पोस्ट ऑफिस ने ये भी बोल दी, फॉर एवरी एडिशनल, for every, no, understand this, for every additional 10 grams, ₹2. अगर उससे ज्यादा आपका पार्सल वेट है और आपके ₹2 लगेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन, आपका पार्सल का वेट अगर 35 grams है.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait a minute, I'll give chance to other child also. If your parcel weight is 35 grams का अगर आप पार्सल भेज रहे हो तो उसका प्राइस आपका क्या निकलेगा इन दोनों सिचुएशन को यूज करके? Yes, Arna, will you try? Arna Agarwal, will you try? No? Yes, Rudra Mangokya, will you try? Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, ₹7.
Priya, you said ₹7. Can Priya, you will tell me how you calculated ₹7?
Ma'am, you for every additional 10 grams, it will be added ₹2. So if 20 grams, then there will be ₹2. So ₹5. But it is 30 grams, so more ₹2 will be added.
Yes, it is 35 grams. So when you like this way, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 35, you will do in this way, right? So for the first 10 grams, it's ₹3. For the next additional 10 grams, it is ₹2. And next additional gram, again it is 2 rupees. And the additional 5 gram also will be 2 rupees, because for every additional 10 grams it's 2 rupees. And if it is less than 10 gram, also to be 2 rupees. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rupees will be the answer.
Ma'am, I have written 9 rupees in chat box.
Yes, Ayush?
Ma'am, if it's 30 would be 7 rupees and 30 would be until 7 rupees.
Yes.
But every is 10 grams, right? And 5
For
is
every
half.
addition, but it is, if it is less than 10 all over, on the additional 2 rupees will be charged, whether it is 32 grams also. अगर यहाँ पे 32 ग्राम भी हो जाएगा तो आपका नेक्स्ट ये 2 ग्राम्स है, तो 2 ग्राम्स पे भी आपको 2 रुपीज पे करने ही होंगे. Got it, my dear? Ayush. Got it. Now one more question I am giving you. You have to solve this. For a parcel weighing, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I drink water?
Yes, please. 20 grams or less than 20 grams अगर है, 20 grams or less than 20 grams, तो आपको 2 rupees पे करने हैं. And for every additional 10 grams, you have to pay 1 rupee. So 30 grams पे आप कितना पे करोगे? Find out. Till 20 grams, you need to pay less than or more. Till 20, you need to pay 2. And for every additional 10 grams, you need to pay 1. And the total weight of your parcel is 30 grams. So what the price you will pay?
Ma'am, 3 rupees.
Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Rupees.
You got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So minimum 20 till 20 grams, you will pay 2 rupees. And your additional 10 grams, you will pay 1 rupee. Total 3 rupees you will pay. Got it?
Ma'am, I can't understand the second question.
Samriddhi, same. For a parcel weighing 20 gram or less than 20 gram, you will pay 2. If your parcel is 18 grams, how much you will pay? Samriddhi? 2, right?
Yeah.
Because your parcel is less than 20 grams. 18 grams ही है, तो 2 पे करेंगे. Okay. अगर आपका parcel weight 22 grams है, तो क्या करोगे? तो second situation भी apply हो जाएगी. First 20 तक तो you will pay 2 rupees. बाकी balancing 2 grams पे आप कितना पे करोगी? Mute yourself.
Ma'am, 1 rupee only. 1. Yeah.
So what will be the total amount you will pay?
3 rupees. 3 rupee. 3 rupees.
Got it? 22 grams भी वेट हुआ तब भी आप 3 पे कर रहे, 30 grams वेट हुआ तो भी आप 3 rupees पे कर रहे हैं. You know, these companies, they decide, they make some target and they keep some amount fixed. उसके हिसाब से हमें follow करना होता है.
Ma'am, can we leave for another class?
Yes, yes. Please. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.